Next, cleaning gel, a reusable, flexible cleaning gel that reaches into narrow spaces like keyboards, car vents, and electronics, trapping dust, crumbs, and debris with ease. Leaves no sticky residue and works well on hard-to-clean surfaces, offering a simple and effective solution for delicate items and hard-to-reach crevices. Next, robot vacuum, smart, self-operating vacuum with advanced navigation that adjusts to different floor types, including hardwood, tile, and carpets. It autonomously sweeps, vacuums, and avoids obstacles, reaching under furniture and along edges. For thorough floor cleaning with minimal supervision. Next, window cleaning robot. Attaches to glass and mirrors, systematically cleaning away dust, smudges, and fingerprints. Designed for high windows or hard-to-reach areas, it provides streak-free results without the need for ladders, making window cleaning safer and more convenient. Next, desktop vacuum cleaner, a compact, USB-powered mini vacuum ideal for desks, keyboards, and countertops. Small but powerful, it quickly sucks up crumbs, dust, and small debris, keeping your workspace clean and tidy. Portable and easy to use. Perfect for small messes. Next, laundry hamper. Spacious, durable hamper with sturdy handles for easy carrying. It holds a significant amount of laundry and keeps it organized, blending seamlessly with any decor. Perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, or laundry rooms, offering functionality and style in one. Next, small trash bin. Compact and stylish waste bin designed for small spaces like bathrooms, bedrooms, and offices. Features easy-to-clean surfaces and a minimalist design, providing a practical waste disposal solution that doesn't compromise on aesthetics.